Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to check battery level for the speaker Ultimate Ears Boom 2 on your Android device. You have to start by opening application and check it right here. Or you have second options is to use quick access panel right here, and you can also check it here. Or the third option is to go to settings, connected devices, and here we can check it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!